Madam Clerk, would you open the courtroom, please?
The state of Michigan finds this court is now in session with the Honorable Judge David S. Robinson Jr. Presiding. Court is now in session. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning. All right, let's see who we got. All right, Ms. Nelson, you seem to be first.
Good morning.
Good morning. What brings you here today?
I have Grospec RX versus the City of Detroit.
And you're a plaintiff?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I'm defense on that motion, or on that case.
Sheehan?
Yes.
Well, then I have a pair. You two will stay. Everybody else is off to the waiting room. And Mr. Smart to the waiting room. And Ms. Nondas is to the waiting room.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Okay, I have a pair. Let's get started with file number 20164-660. Grospec Prescription versus City of Detroit. Your respective appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tricia Nelson, P68707, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Good morning, Your Honor. Laura Sheehan, P83327, appearing on behalf of the defendant, City of Detroit.
Okay, our disclosures are done. This is a small file. Where are we on this thing?
That's correct, Your Honor. Disclosures have been done on both sides.
So where are we on settlement?
So I was actually going to ask Ms. Nelson if she would give us a demand today.
I can absolutely email her a demand today.
Well, you can both absolutely go to a waiting room, chat room. You can do that now.
Thank you.
Now, let's see if I can set it up before I start talking loud. Okay, breakout rooms. Okay, I'm going to create 10. Sign them manually. Create. Open all rooms. Then Ms. Nelson. Sign to room 1. And Ms. Sheehan. Sign to room 1. Okay, I think I've sent you to chat room. Let's see. I certainly hope so. All right. Ms. Nonis, why are you here today?
I've got two. I've got one ending in 432 and one in 598.
Okay, so you're both of mine. Cool. All right. I have Mr. Smart, who's
Okay.
at 598, so let's do that one.
Sure.
We are on the record calling case number 2015258, Jefferson Capital System versus Tristan Smart. This is our third pretrial, your respective appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ashley Nonis, P770529 for the plaintiff.
And your name, sir?
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Tristan Smart.
Okay, are we done with our written discovery here, people?
Yes, Your Honor. We still haven't received any responses from the defendant, so they are deemed admitted at this point. We did submit our motion for summary disposition back on April 5th. So there still is time to respond, but I haven't received a response as of yet.
I haven't received your motion as of yet, but that's, part of the course these days.
Yeah.
Mr. Smart, are you done with your written discovery?
No, not. I was not in. I didn't have a physical address. Actually, I still don't have a physical address at the moment. I'll be moving in on Wednesday. So actually, I don't have an address in order to receive anything at the moment. I put my mail on hold at the post office, and when I went to receive my mail, the only thing that was there was the summons for court. It was nothing else. Nothing else was there as a written discovery or anything.
All right, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to close your written discovery as of May 20th. I am going to set this for a last pretrial, May 21st, at 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
Yes, it
Sure.
does.
Okay, I'll send out written notice. May
And Your
20th,
Honor, can I just state one more thing for the record?
please.
And regarding his address, we went through this at the last hearing. You ordered him to provide an address to the court as well as to us. He did not. Everything we've mailed, we have not received returned. So I don't know where he's at now. He seems to be in a residence. But as far as we know, his address that's on file with the court is the last known verified address, which he is receiving mail. And again, we haven't received anything bounced back.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I believe what Mr. Smart said. That he was having his mail held at the post office. So I'm gonna send out another pretrial, and this will be our last pretrial. Discovery is going to close May 20th. And we'll get you something in writing, and thank you both for coming in. We're off the record.
Thank you, sir.
All right, so I take it you would also have my last warning call, 432.
Yeah, Jefferson Capital versus Grant.
Let's see if this is her here. Good morning. What is your name?
Carissa Grant.
All right, we are on the record. We are calling case number 2143432. This case is entitled Jefferson Capital System versus Carissa Grant. This is the time for what appears to be our initial pretrial, your respective appearances.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Attorney Ashley Nonis, P77029 on behalf of plaintiff.
And what is your name? What is your name?
Queen Anderson Grant.
Who is Cornisha Grant?
Carissa Grant is my daughter.
Where is your daughter?
Right here, sir.
That is my guardian. My mother is my guardian.
Appointed by whom?
I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
Has some probate court or circuit court appointed you guardian?
Yes.
All right, you need to send a copy of that order appointing you guardian to the court. You understand that?
No, I can't hear you. I'm sorry. Could you say that again?
You need to send a copy of what order you have appointing you guardian to the court, to me.
Okay.
All right. When were you appointed guardian?
Almost a year ago.
Okay. Send in the order of appointment. So what we're going to do then, since you are the guardian, until I get the, I'll proceed as we currently have the case captured. Let me ask you this. Are you intending to represent your daughter, or are you going to get a lawyer to do that?
I intend on representing my daughter.
All right? You have an absolute constitutional right to self-representation. What you do not have is a right to your own set of rules of civil procedure, your own rules of evidence, and your own statutes. If you elect to represent yourself, as is your constitutional right, the same rules that bind that lawyer will bind you. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
All right. Now, where are we on this file? This is our first
Your
pre-trial.
Honor, we have not received a copy of the answer, so I really don't have any information on what the defendant's claims are. So I would need a copy of the answer as well as that order for guardianship.
All right. Ma'am, going forward, if you communicate with the court in writing in any way, a copy of whatever you send must go to the other side. You understand that?
Yes, I do. I did not know that. Yes, I understand.
One of the perils of self-representation is you don't know what you don't know. But again, you don't get your own set of rules. So this is what I'm
Yes.
going to do. I'm going to open your written discovery. I'm going to give you another return date of May 21st at 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes,
And I'll note that you will provide the guardianship paper. You understand that, ma'am?
yes.
Okay. Anybody have any questions? Anything else we can do today?
Nope, none for me.
Okay. Anything for you, ma'am?
No, but I do have one question.
Ma'am?
Um, I didn't receive anything from them stating what, the days, the years that this bill was made.
Well, ma'am, you have, like I said, I'm opening written discovery today.
Oh, okay.
You can seek all that information under the court rules by the court rules that provide for written discovery. Thank you
Okay.
both for coming in. We'll talk again, May 21st, 10 o'clock. We are off.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Where's my pen? All right, we are back on the record in 20164-660, Rospec RX versus C Detroit. Your appearances.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Tricia Nelson, P68707, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Good morning, Your Honor. Laura Shan, P 83327, appearing on behalf of defendant, City of Detroit.
Did we settle the case?
We're close.
We were close. You want to go back to the chat room? We were close.
No, so they gave an offer. I think it
get
will be
it done.
accepted. I have to get authority from a supervisor to accept it. That's all that's left.
Okay, so you need some more time,
Yes, ma'am.
but not much more time.
Yeah.
How long is that? What's that about? How long does that process take?
To issue the check, I've seen them
No,
issue checks.
to get the approval.
Oh, the approval, that can be done probably in a week or less.
All right, so let's do this. How about I have you guys back here on May the 3rd, which is a Monday.
What time on the 3rd, Your Honor?
10 o'clock like today.
10 o'clock? I should be able to do that, Your Honor.
What about you, Ms. Sheehan?
Let's see. I have a motion.
You want to go to 11?
No, I can do 10 as long as I'm out by 11 because my motion's at
Oh,
11.
you'll be out by then. Have I ever kept anybody for an hour? I
No,
try.
Your Honor.
I try cases in less than an hour. Come on. Okay, May 3rd at 10 o'clock. We'll see if we can't put this turkey to bed.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll
Thank
send out notice today, May 3rd, 10 o'clock.
Thank you,
Okay.
Your Honor.
We're off the record. Have a
Thank
good
you, Your
day.
Honor.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, let's see here. Ms. Brzezinski and Mr. Echoberry, you seem to be a pair.
We are a pair, but we need three of a kind, Your Honor. We're missing Natalie Jaboro.
Okay, so then you off to my waiting room.
Thank you, sir.
All right, Mr. Johnson, why are you here today?
Your Honor, I have a pretrial on behalf of Vibe Credit Union. Defendant is Corey L. Ross.
Okay, you're representing whom?
I'm representing the plaintiff, Vibe Credit Union.
Okay, and your name is Johnston. And Mr. Schroeder, I don't have a pair for you, Mr. Johnson. You off to my waiting room.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Schroeder, why are you here today?
I'm here for a pretrial conference on Laboratory Specialists of Michigan versus the City of Detroit.
Okay, I think I have Mr. Bailey just coming in.
Oh, very good.
May be able to do you guys. All right, Mr. Bailey, I think I have a pair here. Calling file number 211411979, Laboratory Specialist versus City of Detroit. Your respective appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. John Schroeder, appearing on behalf of Laboratory Specialists of Michigan.
Calvert Bailey on behalf of defendant, City of Detroit, P42409.
Mr. Schroeder, you remember the State Bar of Michigan?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a P number?
75393.
All right, gentlemen. This is our third pretrial. This case came over to us from change of venue. Are we done from 15, I guess? Our disclosure should have been made by now. Is there anything else that we need to get this case settled?
I haven't had a chance to talk to this counseling. I think someone else was on this case at the time, but we have made our initial disclosures.
Yeah, Mr. Schroeder, you got authority on this case, or you just talking here today?
Well, unfortunately, I am covering for Alicia Rubin, who is the primary.
All right. Well, let's do this then. I can't do anything else with you guys. This is a waste of everybody's time. So what we need to do, I guess, Mr. Bailey, is you need to communicate with whoever it is that you communicate with on behalf of the plaintiff. Mr. Schroeder, you need to let whoever that is know that Mr. Bailey will be reaching out. I'll get you gentlemen a return date, and I'll get you out of my face. The next date is going to be May 21st, May 21st at 11 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
No problem, Your Honor. Thank you.
What about you, sir?
Just a second.
Yep.
Yes, Your Honor. You said 11 o'clock?
Yeah, like today.
Okay, yes, that works.
Okay, May 21. At 11 o'clock. Now that our disclosures have been made, gentlemen, this file ought to get resolved. I mean, it's not brain surgery here.
Sounds good. We'll work toward it, Your
Yes,
Honor.
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Now, in order for pretrial, May 21, indicating your disclosures have been made. We'll talk again. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Be
Have a
safe.
good day.
You too. We're off the record. All right. Who am I looking for? Mr. Coyle Ross. I think I have everybody on that other file. What is your name, sir? What is your name, sir?
Excuse me?
Your name?
My name is Corey L. Ross.
Okay, Mr. Ross, I think I have the other side here. Yeah, Mr. Johnson, hang on for a second.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Johnson, I think I have everybody. Let's call your case number. This is case number 21143-005. The case is entitled Vibe Credit Union versus Corey L. Ross. Let me have your respective appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Andrew Johnston, P79752 for the plaintiff.
And your name, sir?
Corey L. Ross.
Okay, this is our first pretrial. Mr. Ross, is it your intention to represent yourself in this matter?
Yes.
You have an absolute constitutional right to do that. What you do not have is a right to your own set of rules of civil procedure, your own rules of evidence, and your own statutes. If you would like to represent yourself, as is your constitutional right, the same rules that bind that lawyer will bind you. You understand that? There's one set of rules. You don't get to say I don't know.
Okay.
Okay? All right. You guys talk settlement at all on this matter?
I reached out to them, but they didn't respond. They didn't want to settle anything with me. I reached out to them several times.
All right, Mr. Johnson, you guys want to go to a chat room?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, let me put you guys in the chat room, see maybe you can resolve it today, okay? Let's see if I can get the chat room working now.
Thank you.
Breakout rooms, that would be Johnston, sign to room 3.
I'm in court.
iPhone
In court.
3. All right. All right, let's try these people. All right, I think I have all the bodies now. This is file number 20166-932. Leanne Harris versus Nationwide Mutual Fire Insurance, Integrin National Insurance. Your respective appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Eckelberry appearing on behalf of Plaintiff Leanne Harris, P78222.
Morning, Your Honor. Lauren Brzezinski on behalf of Defendant Nationwide P75259.
Morning, Your Honor. Natalie Jabor on behalf of Defendant Intigon P78307.
All right, are we done with our discovery, people?
Your Honor, we have made substantial progress, as Your Honor ordered at our last pretrial. My client's deposition has been completed. We have a portion of the workers' compensation claim file. I'm still working on getting the rest of it. I've been in contact with the comp claim rep as recently as yesterday afternoon, hounding them for that file. I've also communicated a preliminary settlement demand on behalf of my client and have had some conversations in regards to a potential resolution with counsel in advance of this morning's hearing.
All right. We don't seem to be moving as rapidly as I had hoped, but that's the way things go. So here's what I'm going to do. One more pretrial. That day will be May 21. Does that date work for everybody? At 11 o'clock like today.
Works for Nationwide, Your Honor.
We will make it work, Your Honor.
Mr. Eckelberry? All right, discovery closes May 15. So the next time I see you, our discovery is going to be done. Is there anything else we can accomplish today?
I don't
believe so, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, May 21 at 11, discovery closing on May 15. Let's get this one done, folks. Thank you for coming in. Have a good weekend and be safe.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Take care. We are back on the record in case number 211430005. The file is entitled Vibe Credit Union versus Coriel Ross. Gentlemen, were you able to resolve your file?
Your Honor, we discussed a resolution. Mr. Ross made an offer that I can take back to my client. So I can't give him an answer today on that offer, but
Okay.
I've got something to discuss with my client. I didn't discuss, an adjournment or any, discovery with Mr. Ross, but I guess now that we're back on the record, I would just ask Your Honor to adjourn it 60 to 90 days, open discovery, and set a date for either final pretrial or final motion date.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to open your written discovery.
Okay.
And I'm going to set the file for another pretrial on May 21st. Does that date work for both of you?
What day is that?
It's Friday like today, sir.
Okay, May 21st. Sure.
At 11 o'clock, sir.
Okay.
Okay, I'll send out an order. The written discovery is now open. May 21st at 11 o'clock will be our next time. Let's get the file resolved, gentlemen.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. And Mr. Ross, I've got your contact information. If you don't hear from me by next week, if you want to call my office, I should have something for you by then.
Oh, what's your office number? Would I have a direct number to you?
I don't have a direct number, but my extension is 24.
24. What's the number to call?
586
586
777
777
0770.
0770. That's
Okay,
the
gentlemen.
number.
Thank you both.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Let's get it resolved. We're off.
Will do.
Thank you.
Have a good day and be safe.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.